Cooking. We got the book, and yeah, a lot of things are going on. So we're going to put some pomegranate seed. I just come from the supermarket. And this is the only thing. We drink about 4 coconut today, 4 jelly coconut. It was lovely. And I said to myself, I'm gonna go home and make some juice and just chill. Alright. Today was a very long day. You understand? And yeah, Chef Ricardo help a lot of people. You might not see it physically. You understand? Yeah. We go out there in the street and we help. Those are the kind of people I like to go and help. You know what I mean? Alright, I got some leftover pineapple from yesterday. I like to help people who are sick, dementia, you know what I mean? I suffer from a lot of things, you know what I mean? These are the people I like to reach out to. Like pineapple, I'm gonna add some more to it. And that's gonna be beautiful, guys. Add a little bit more fresh pineapple towards it. Yeah, you see that? A little bit more pineapple, you know? Alright, now. Alright, I'm gonna put some ginger. But ginger is a must. Alright, ginger. Alright. We're gonna get some coconut water. We're using coconut water to bring in that beautiful flavor. We're gonna put our large cups of coconut water in it. Yeah, coconut water, guys. Alright, here is the Esther Delicious Impress 007. Big up yourself. Thank you so much for the support and for the time. Alright, here it is. Here's his happy birthday, man. Happy heart strong. Big up yourself. Anyone birthday this month, pass through and share some love. Because one of this month is your birthday, you know. Alright. Anyway, let's put the book right here. Grab yourself a copy of the book and support. We're gonna make some noise. I was gonna put some lemon inside of it or lime, but I'm just gonna chill out for that for tonight. Alright. You can put if you like to, but not me. Lovely. It's not something into smoothie. It's a quick drink. Ocho Rios, pick up yourself. You know they go already. Have to come in and support Chef Ricardo, you know. Yeah. Look at this, guys. We're gonna pour it out like this. Alright. That is excellent. Alright. Yeah, man. That is amazing and fantastic. coconut water, beetroot, coconut water, pomegranate seed, and pineapple. Some ginger. Look at that. This can blend and turn into smoothie and you can drink it, but not today. Yeah, man. That is proper, guys. All right. Heroes, powerful drink this one. %100% effective. All right. So it is pomegranate seed. Okay. Pomegranate seed. Ginger. You can put some lime in it if you like to. All right. And some pineapple. Pour it out. Coconut water. That's what we use. All right. You don't have to use coconut water. Yeah, man. Yes, Craig, a good recipe that for pomegranate tea, you know. Here it is, and that's how it look. Yeah. You can't get it to buy in the supermarket. You're gonna have to make it at home. 100% excellent. It is a beautiful drink. And I will just encourage you, if you go to the supermarket, turn left and get pomegranate seed in the fridge, pineapple juice, fresh pineapple, and get yourself some pomegranate seed. Go home and make this, man. It's an amazing drink. I did it many times, but that's what I feel for this evening. Next week is going to be a blessed week for every one of us. We'll make it another week. And next week going to be a beautiful week, a blessed week. We're going to be doing a lot of things next week. This week we did one watermelon drink. So next week going to be a very great